In this video, I will show you how to download and install TradeLocker on your Windows laptop or PC. TradeLocker is a modern trading platform used by retail traders, prop firm traders, and brokers. It allows you to trade different markets, such as Forex, commodities, indices, and more, depending on your broker. So if you want to use TradeLocker on your Windows computer, make sure you follow this guide carefully. First, open your favorite browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, click on the search bar and type TradeLocker Desktop, then press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, look for the official TradeLocker Desktop download page and open it. Make sure you are using the official website so that you download the correct and safe version of the app. I will also leave the direct link in the video description so you can access it faster. Once you are on the TradeLocker download page, look for the download button and click on it. Now, select the Windows version. This is the version you need if you are using a Windows laptop or desktop PC. After clicking the Windows download option, the TradeLocker installer should start downloading automatically. Wait for the download to finish. The download time may depend on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, go to your browser downloads or open the Downloads folder on your computer. Now, find the TradeLocker installer file and double-click on it. If Windows shows a security message asking if you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. The TradeLocker setup window should now open. Just wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation is finished, TradeLocker should launch automatically. If the app does not open automatically, go to the Start menu, search for TradeLocker, and open it from there. From here, log in to your TradeLocker account. If you do not have an account yet, you may need to create one through your broker or prop firm, depending on how you plan to use TradeLocker. After logging in, you can connect your broker and start using the platform. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed TradeLocker on your Windows laptop or PC.